day. Hello, rainy day. Are you excited to go shopping? Let's go. It's a rainy day and we're going to buy some groceries, some chicken and vegetables. Yes, it's a rainy Tuesday and we're going to the supermarket, to the grocery store. How are you? Are you okay? Are you excited to go shopping on this rainy day? Yes, he is. Josue, there is this truck. Oh. On this rainy day, they're on work and they work. Yeah. No? You could play in the water. Go! No? He doesn't want to walk on that water. We're here and we need to put the umbrella here. The umbrella goes like that so the water won't pour inside the grocery. Tomato. Can you say tomato? No? Potato. Potato. Can you say potato? Let's go. And this one? What's right? Onion. Lemon. Pomelo. Oh, mango. Look. You want some mango? No? Pineapple. And kiwi. You see? That's kiwi. Kiwi. Some pears. And apples. What do you want? Banana. Bell pepper. Look how big they are. And this has colorful bell pepper. Tricolor. Okay, we're done with our bags. We have some onion, bell pepper, tomato, okay, surprise eggs, and some pastries and chicken. Wow, you have surprise eggs. Can you open? Open it. Wow, you have a yummy surprise eggs. There's the surprise. Yeah, we're going to open. Wow, what did you get? What is that? I think this is Ah, another hippo. There. You have this one already. It's a hippo. Can you see? Yeah, it's the hippo's family. There's your hippo. Yes. Sí. Venga. Sí. Solo uno. My God. Siéntate aquí. Siéntate aquí. Hey, open your surprise. Wow. What did you get? Wait, let's open. What did you get, Luis? What is it? Let me see. You got a frog. Today's dinner, husband's cook his special chicken stew, chicken estofado. Looks so good. Hi, it's still raining. So far, it's already night and they're still up. The other one is over there watching his games. Hi! So that's for today. Bye! Say bye!